Just wanted to get a video of this. This is the first time this mixer has been fired up in many, many years. It was sitting in a friend of mine's parents' basement / crawl space. They used it for many years here and there. Sat in storage. I kind of restored it. I cleaned out the motor, put a new belt on it, and pressure washed it with a 4,400 psi pressure washer. Stripped off all the paint, and I painted it, and I just got done greasing all the gears, all the grease joints, and this is the first test to make sure it's running nice and smooth, and it seems to be. And I put 2 buckets of gravel in there just to test it out. Just put it to the test before we put it in that mixing booth, mobile portable mixing booth. We have it on a walking forklift skid thingy right here, as you can see. And yeah, we just lift it up in the air and I wheel it right back into the shop. It's going to have Visqueen all around it with fans and filters. And we are getting close to operational mixing machine here. Very excited that this antique unit is performing better than the new units. This thing will last forever. The only thing you'll ever have to replace is that motor and the belt, which I just did. And the motor seems to be going strong, so I'm going to go with that motor for now. I'm a happy camper. We got gold and chrome rims on here. Nice matching red paint job that matches our company colors. Sue's going to put a decal on there soon with our company name. And we're going to be rolling concrete into the chute and onto our tables in the shop. Sue's doing her painting here. She's just got done with a few. But yeah, we're going to be filling all these tables very soon. All right, thanks for watching.